Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones to buy in 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be covering the top 5 best drones of 2026, focusing on camera quality, flight performance, smart features, battery life, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with EIS 2K camera and screen controller under 249 grams. This drone is designed for beginners who want a feature-packed GPS drone without dealing with complicated controls. It comes with a 2K camera with EIS stabilization, a 7.22-inch screen built directly into the remote, GPS positioning, night shot node, and AI tracking features. With 2 batteries, you get up to 64 minutes of total flight time, and it stays under 249 grams, so no registration is required in many regions. In real-world use, this drone is very beginner-friendly. The built-in screen is a huge plus because you don't need to connect your phone. GPS features like auto return and follow me work reliably, making it a great option for casual aerial photography. Pros: built-in large screen remote, stable GPS flight with EIS, long total flight time, lightweight and portable. Cons: only 2K video, not true 4K. EIS is not as smooth as a gimbal. A great entry-level GPS drone for beginners who want simplicity and long flight time. Number 2. 4K GPS drone with 4.5-inch LCD screen controller. This drone is a solid step up for users who want true 4K video with easy controls. It features a 4K camera, GPS positioning, 5G long-range transmission, follow me mode, and a 4.5-inch LCD screen remote controller. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it stays under 249 grams. The video quality is noticeably sharper compared to 2K drones. GPS stability is excellent, and the screen controller provides a smooth FPV experience without lag. This drone is ideal for travel and outdoor shooting. Pros: sharp 4K camera, GPS auto return and follow me, long-range 5G transmission, compact and foldable. Cons: battery life could be better, no mechanical gimbal. A strong mid-range 4K GPS drone that balances performance and price. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone, editor's choice. This is one of the best lightweight drones of 2026 for serious video creators. The Potensic Atom features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K 30 FPS video, up to 96 minutes of flight time with the Fly More combo, and an impressive 6 km transmission range. It's still under 249 grams, making it extremely travel-friendly. This drone delivers very smooth cinematic footage thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. Tracking, quick shots, and GPS performance are reliable, and the flight experience feels premium for its size. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, excellent 4K footage, very long battery life, lightweight and portable. Cons: a little bit higher price, no obstacle avoidance. The best overall drone on this list for content creators and enthusiasts. Number 4. FPV 4K drone with big screen controller. This drone focuses on easy flying and FPV experience, especially for beginners. It comes with a 4K camera, a large screen remote controller, optical flow positioning, 2 batteries, and a carrying case. It's designed for simple, stable flight without complex GPS setup. This drone is easy to fly indoors and outdoors. Optical flow helps with stability, and the large screen remote gives a clear live view. However, it's more suited for casual use than professional shooting. Pros: large screen controller, easy to fly for beginners, includes carrying case, decent 4K camera. Cons: no GPS positioning, limited range. A good beginner FPV drone for fun flying and basic video capture. Number 5. 4K GPS drone with brushless motors and adjustable camera. This drone offers strong performance with GPS precision and brushless motors. It features a 4K camera with 120-degree field of view, adjustable 90-degree lens, GPS auto return, follow me mode,
optical positioning, and 5G FPV transmission. 2 batteries and a carrying case are included. The brushless motors provide smooth and quiet flight. GPS functions are reliable, and the adjustable camera angle is useful for creative shots. This drone performs well in light wind conditions. Pros: brushless motors, stable GPS flight, adjustable camera angle, good value for money. Cons: app interface could be better. Camera stabilization is basic. A solid all-around 4K GPS drone with strong flight performance. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Comment below and let me know which drone you'd choose. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.